Get ready, the race is about to start. One of the reasons horse racing in the United Kingdom is so popular is because we have so many unique race courses that are different in shape and size. Wherever you go, we use the same distances to measure the length of the races. Can you remember from our first activity the name of the old system of measurement we use? That's right, we use the imperial system. Just like the old measurements for weight, such as stones and pounds, there are old measurements for distance too. The most important distances to remember when watching a race are furlongs and miles. Can you match up the numbers below with the questions for both the metric and imperial systems? The shortest distance horses race over is 5 furlongs, and it's called a sprint race. The horses can reach speeds of nearly 50 miles per hour. How many meters are there in a 5 furlong race? The shortest race over jumps is run over 2 miles. How many furlongs is this? The races are always measured back from the winning line, which never moves, so the race courses need to have different starting points for the different distances. In flat races, the horses run from starting stalls, which ensures a fair start. Because jump races are longer and often run on wet ground, the horses do not go into stalls, but the starter of the race releases a tape. It's called a tape start. Jump races are either run over hurdles, which are 3 feet 6 inches high, or steeplechase fences, which are 4 feet 7 inches high. Now, let's see how far a horse can jump. The best horses in jump races can run at a speed of up to 35 miles an hour. This means that to get over a fence that is 4 feet 7 inches in height, they can take off as far as 4.5 meters before the fence and land 4.5 meters after it, jumping 9 meters in length. Wow! During the race, the commentator, that's my job by the way, tells the crowd watching the race at the racecourse or those watching the TV what is going on and makes it sound exciting. Sometimes the horses finish very close together, so we need to work out which horse has won. To do this, we use something called a photo finish. High in the stand, there are 2 cameras, one to cover the whole width of the track and the other to focus on the part of the course furthest away from the camera. There is a strip of mirror attached to the winning post that is used to help get an accurate photo. This allows the judge to see what is happening from the far side of the course if the horses are very close together. The picture these cameras produce is made up of millions of tiny dots. They're known as pixels, and together they build up the photo finish picture as the horses finish the race. When we know which horse has won the race, the happy jockey takes his horse to the winner's circle to meet the trainer and the owners who are ready to give the horse a well-deserved pat. What a great place to end our final animation film. We hope you've had fun learning about how important maths is for horse racing in our 3 Racing to School films. Thank you so much for taking part in our interactive lessons, and we look forward to seeing you on the race course to experience the real thing very soon.